नाजरीन अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आप देख रहे हैं पीस पब्लिक न्यूज़। आपका मेज़बान मोहम्मद यूनुस ताज। नाजरीन आज की ताज़ा खबर ये है,
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Chancellor Sir, it is my great pleasure and honor to introduce Professor Uma Kanjilal, the Vice Chancellor of Indira Gandhi National Open University. Let the recipients of honoris causa be introduced.
Chancellor Sir, on behalf of the Vice Chancellor and members of the Executive Council, it is my proud privilege to present to you Sri Gorati Venkataya, known to the world as Gorati Venkana, a peerless poet in Telugu literature, personified by nature per se.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as Chancellor of Dr. B.R.Ambedkar Open University, I admit you to the degree of Doctor of Letters, honoris causa, of this university on account of your eminence and attainments.
Pending across 80 countries and translated into 40 languages. The Prem Rawat Foundation's latest peace education program, EDU, is specifically designed for teachers and education. In 2023, alone Sri Prem Rawat has spoken to over 775 millions of people across all media, including TV, print, and radio. He is currently translated to Dubai, traveled to Dubai, UAE to introduce the peace education program to educators from across the world and launch the Arabic version of his best-selling book, Hear Yourself.
Honorable Governor of Telangana and Chancellor of the University, Shri Jishnu Dev Varmaji, Professor Ghanta Chakatpani, Vice Chancellor of Dr. B.R.Ambedkar Open University, respected faculty and staff of the university, fellow graduating students, distinguished guests. I would like to take this opportunity, first of all, to thank all those who have allowed this day to come forth to be able to have this honor bestowed upon me. Most importantly, the way I see it is that these institutions, like this university,
Stand for award of PhD, MPhil, PG and UG degrees, diplomas and certificates.
Shohanar Min, 2024. V.R. Narla Memorial Gold Medal. Niranjani. Shubhna Armin. V.R. Narla Memorial Gold Medal for top marks in BA. Sunita 2023 batch, Tanuja 2024. Savera gold medal to the student topper in B.Com. Manohar 2023 batch and Sandhya 2024. Tummala Dhananjaya Chaudhary Memorial Gold Medal, topper in BSc, Niranjani 2023, 2024 Shahnar. Mahalakshmi, Agama. Kavuri Chalpatrao Gold Medal, topper in B.Com Telugu medium. Divya 2023 batch, Mahalakshmi 23 batch, and Sandhya 24 batch. 3 gold medals. Samala Jayaprada Venkata Rangareddy Gold Medal. Who got highest marks in geology? Bhargav Kumar 23 batch, Kiran Kumar 24 batch. Sri Nagaya Shetty Gold Medal, topper in BSc Chemistry. Afrin 2023 batch, Juberia 2024 batch. Vasireddy Bangaramma Venkata Kristaya Memorial Gold Medal, topper in graduation BA BCom BSc. Niranjani for 2023 batch, Shuhanarnin 2024 batch. Malasana Lakshmi Narasamma and Malasana Gangaya Gold Memorial Gold Medal, topper in degree Telugu medium. Samyukta 2023 batch, Pavani 2024 batch. Ms. Anjani Gogini Memorial Gold Medal, UG Sociology toppers. Geeta Priya 2023 batch, Likita 2024 batch. The Institute of Chartered Accountants India Gold Medal, topper in BCom Telugu medium and English medium. BCom topper. Manohar 2023 batch, Sandhya 2024 batch. Karnati Mangamma Bhadraya Memorial Gold Medal, topper in BA Telugu medium. Ayesh Begum 2023, Anuradha 2024. Sheila Charles Amritraj Memorial Gold Medal, topper in degree English literature, UG English literature topper. Kamachi 2023, Manjusha 2024 batch. Srimati and Sri Kopparapu Indira Devi Krishna Reddy Gold Medal, topper in degree UG BA BCom BSc. Yugandhar 2023 batch, Nagaraja Kumari 2024 batch. Srimati Srimati Kusumba Revati Sitaramarav Memorial Gold Medal.
MIL Telugu topper in degree, Sujita 2023 batch, Srinivasulu 2024 batch, Srimati Ganta Janani and Sri Ganta Mugilaya Memorial Gold Medal, topper in degree Sociology, Geeta Priya 2023, Likita 2024 batch, Dr. CV Narasimha Reddy Gold Medal, topper in degree Journalism optional paper, Kamachi 2023 batch, Swati 2024 batch. Sri Venkateswara Traders Gold Medal, topper in BLISC, Indra Kumar 2023 batch, Sumana 2024 batch. Professor AAN Raju Gold Medal, topper in MLISC. Hanna Shubi 2023 batch, Uma Kumari 2024 batch. Professor LS Ramaya Gold Medal, topper in MLISC. Hanna Shiba 2023 batch, Uma Kumari 2024 batch. Professor Ram Reddy Gold Medal. Topper in MA Political Science. MA Political Science Ravi Kumar 2023, Venkata Lakshmi 2024, Srimati Pappu Sitaramam Memorial Gold Medal, topper in MA Political Science, Public Administration. Tapsim 2023, Venkata Lakshmi 2024, State Bank of India Gold Medal, topper in MA English, Aarti Rai 2023, Sheikh Khairunisa 2024, State Bank of India Gold Medal, topper in MCOM, Gayatri 2023, Sailaja 2024, State Bank of India Gold Medal, MA Economics, Yeeramma 2023 batch, Venkatesh 2024 batch, State Bank of India Gold Medal. MA History. మా ఎక్కడ దాకా State Bank of India Gold Medal, MA Political Science, Ravi Kumar 2023 batch, Nagesh 2024 batch. State Bank of India Gold Medal for MA Sociology, Yugandhar 2023, Archana 2024. State Bank of India Gold Medal, MA Telugu, Sarita 2023, Shahin Begum 2024. State Bank of India Gold Medal, topper in MSc Mathematics and Applied Mathematics, Venkata Siva Tejdeep 2023 batch, Shruti Pragnagiri 24 batch. State Bank of India Gold Medal, MSc Chemistry, Srilata 2023 batch, S. Srilata 23 batch and G. Srilata 2024 batch. State Bank of India Gold Medal for MSc Botany, M. Srinivas 2023, M. Divya 2024. State Bank of India Gold Medal for MSc Zoology, Rakesh Kumar 2023, Tehra Begum 2024. State Bank of India Gold Medal for MBA program, 3 gold medals, K. Revati 2022, Rajeshwari 2023, Saranya 2024. Pedreddy Narayanamma Venkatram Reddy Gold Medal to MSc Environmental Science. Nazib 2023, Soumya 2024, Y. Shankar Rao and Y. Sujata Devi Gold Medal for MBA. K. Revati 2022, M. Rajeshwari 2023, Saranya 2024. Professor Kandavali Lakshmi Ranjanam and Srisela Brahmaramba Memorial Gold Medal, MSc Physics. Shabda Shahir, 2023 batch and Lakshmi 2024 batch. Sabha Ramana Gold Medal for MA Telugu. G. Sarita 2023, Shahin Begum 2024. Sri Unnam Chinna Amaraya and Sri Haribandi Seshagiri Rao Gold Medal for MBA Marketing Management Specialization. M. Prashanti 2022, Manoj Kumar 2023, Sai Sarat Singh 2024. Dr. Banot Gautami and Dr. Banot Dharma Nayak Gold Medal, MSc Psychology. Sayyida Umam 2023, Hema Supraja Lakshmi 2024, Shiva Parvati 2024. Sri Sadguru Sainath Maharaj Gold Medal, BED topper. D. Raja Manohar 2022-24 batch. Justice K. Uma Maheswaram book prize for BA Special Telugu in final year. ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఆగండి అమ్మా ఏం పేరు సునీత పిలుస్తా బుక్ ప్రైజ్ ఎంఏ తెలుగు సునీత తాత అపర్ణ 2023 సునీత 24 అపర్ణ శ్రీమణి అంతసాగర్ భారతి విశ్వేశ్వర్ రెడ్డి బుక్ ప్రైజ్ ఫర్ టాపర్ ఇన్ డిగ్రీ BA BCom BSc. G. Yugandhar 2023 and Nagaraja D. Nagaraja 2024. Professor Venkataraman book prize for MSc Mathematics. T. Venkata Sivatej Deep 2023. Smruti Pragna Giri 24. Smriti Pragnagiri 2024. వెంకట శివజయదీప్ అయిపోయింది. ఓకే, పక్కన పెట్టండి. మీరు ఏం పేరు తీసుకెళ్తే మీరు ఫోటో తీసుకుని ఇది అయిపోయింది సార్. పిహెచ్డి మీరు గోల్డ్ మెడల్ అయిపోయినాయి కదా. మీరు
Excuse me. Mr. M. Ravinder Reddy, PhD in English. Mr. R. Bhanuchandra, PhD in Telugu. Miss M. Swarnalata, PhD in Telugu. Mr. M. Gopal, PhD in Hindi. Mr. Suresh Kumar, PhD in Hindi. Miss M. Kavita, MPhil in Hindi. Thank you.
B.R.Ambedkar Open University, I admit you to the degrees of Doctor of Philosophy in the Faculty of Commerce and Business Management, and I charge you throughout your life to prove worthy of this degree.
Mr. Sheikh Asadullah Hassan, PhD in Commerce. Ms. Sangeeta Gundu, PhD in Commerce. Mr. V.S.M. Srinivas, PhD in Business Management. Mr. S. Surya Prakash, PhD in Commerce. Ms. Vasavi Lata, PhD in Business Management. Mr. V. Chakravarti, PhD in Commerce. Mr. J. Krishnamraju, PhD in Business Management. Ms. Azra Fatima, PhD in Business Management. Mr. Ravi Kiran Dharamsod, PhD in Business Management. Mr. Sriram Reddy Daida, PhD in Commerce. Ms. V. Santoshi, PhD in Commerce. Mr. Kola Nagendra, PhD in Commerce. Mrs. Amtul Mukit, PhD in Commerce.
Chancellor Sir, I present to you these candidates and pray that they may be admitted to the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in Education in the Faculty of Education for which they have qualified.
Authority vested in me as the Chancellor of Dr. B.R.Ambedkar Open University, I admit you to the degrees of Doctor of Philosophy in the Faculty of Education, and I charge you throughout your life to prove you are worthy of this degree.
The Chancellor in the order being announced. Mrs. Madhuri Ganta, PhD in Education. Mrs. Jaya Nayak, PhD in Education. Mr. Mohan Rao Kocharla, PhD in Education. Mrs. Venkatasai Swarupa N, PhD in Education. Mr. Sivakumar Namani, PhD in Education. Miss Hurin Vasiki Siddiqui, PhD in Education. Mrs. Sujata, PhD in Education. Thank you.
Will the candidates for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, PhD in Sciences kindly stand? Chancellor Sir, I present to you these candidates and pray that they may be admitted to the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in the Faculty of Science for which they have qualified.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of B.R.Ambedkar Open University, I admit you to the degrees of Doctor of Philosophy in the Faculty of Sciences, and I charge you throughout your life to prove worthy of this degree.
The PhD candidates may please come to the dais and receive the degrees from the Chancellor in the order being announced. Mr. D. Valli Saubhagyam, PhD in Chemistry. Miss M. Sridevi, PhD in Geology. Miss T. Swaruparani, PhD in Mathematics. Miss Nakirta Nagalakshmi, PhD in Mathematics. Thank you.
Will the candidates for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in Social Sciences kindly stand? Chancellor Sir, I present to you these candidates and pray that they may be admitted to the degrees of Doctor of Philosophy in the Faculty of Social Sciences for which they have qualified.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of Dr. B.R.Ambedkar Open University, I admit you to the degrees of Doctor of Philosophy, Master of Philosophy, M.Phil in the Faculty of Social Sciences. I charge you throughout your life to prove worthy of this degree.
The PhD candidates may please come to the dais and receive the degrees from the Chancellor in the order being announced. Ms. Geetika Gunjan, Mr. T. Rajendra, PhD in Geography. Ms. C.H. Ratnakumari, PhD in Library Information Science. Mr. S. Varakumar, PhD in History. Mr. I. Ravindram, PhD in History. Mr. G. Mangoth, PhD in Economics. Ms. Swarajya Lakshmi, PhD in Sociology. Mr. V. Bhaskarachari, PhD in Political Science. Ms. Nazma, PhD in Economics. Ms. Soma Krishnaya, Mr. Soma Krishnaya, PhD in History. Mr. M. Ravinder Reddy, PhD in History. Mr. Saidulu, PhD in History. Mr. Kishan Dhirawat, PhD in History. Ms. Himabindu Idara, PhD in Sociology. Mr. Jyotirazu Gaddapati, PhD in Political Science. Mr. Pole Lakshman, PhD in Political Science. Mr. Balagonda Gangadhar, PhD in History. Ms. G. Leela Vasundara, PhD in Sociology. Ms. Nazia Rahman, PhD in History. Mr. K. Govardhan, PhD in Public Administration. Ms. Lavanyanjali Mukkerla, PhD in Public Administration. Mr. M. Tirupati Maloth, MPhil in History. Mr. Denduluri Nalli Mohan, PhD in Political Science and Public Administration. Ms. Josna Varsha, PhD in Economics. Thank you.
Academic year 2024-25 served both the states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, as it was listed under the 10th schedule of AP Reorganization Act 2024. With the completion of the stipulated 10 years period, the university has now confined to operations exclusively to Telangana state. Reflecting our mission, the university has reorganized and redesigned its logo to embody the Lord Buddha's message, Apo Dipo Bhava, meaning to be light unto yourself. 499 views and 2036 uploaded videos. Center for Research and Development. Sir, our finance branch, which looks after all the financial activities, in financial year 2024-25, the university has received 17 also other diploma degree programs also, B.Com, BSc programs also in Urdu and Telugu medium, sir. And in March 2025, COEL organized workshop on OER for all. In August 2025, it launched a bilingual curated course creating accessible interactive OER with H5P for STEM educators. Sir, internal quality assurance.
Umani Raja Manohar.
Today, in this convocation, as we celebrate the success of 6,288 graduates, including 203 prison inmates, 55 PhD awardees, 86 gold medal recipients, and 6.
Good afternoon, Namaskar. On the dais, Professor Uma Kanjilal, Vice Chancellor, Indira Gandhi National Open University, Professor Ghanta Chakrapani, Vice Chancellor B.R.Ambedkar Open University, Srimati Yogita Rana IAS, Secretary Education, recipients of honoris causa, Sri Venkanna and Sri B.R.Rawat Gurati, members of Executive Council, deans of faculties, members of teaching and non-teaching staff, medal winners, graduating students, proud parents and distinguished guests. My greetings to you all for being present at this convocation ceremony. I am delighted to join this joyous occasion at Dr. B.R.Ambedkar Open University today. Convocation is more than a ceremony. It celebrates your hard work, sacrifice and spirit, As Dr. B.R.Ambedkar said, cultivation of mind should be the ultimate aim of human existence. The B.R.Ambedkar Open University has paved the way for education to reach everyone, breaking down barriers. The university's motto, education for all, is truly a social revolution. In our fast-changing world, learning never ends. A degree is just the start. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Industry demands adaptability, communication, teamwork, and digital skills, not just facts. This university's efforts in digital learning and skill empowerment are nation-building steps. I recommend this university's Samatha initiative, giving free ship to Adivasi students, promoting equity. I encourage you to pursue lifelong learning through new courses and certifications. We are entering the AI era, which brings challenges but also great opportunities. As Rabindranath Tagore had once said, the highest education is that which does not merely give us information, but makes our life in harmony with all our existence. Embrace technology, but keep creativity, empathy, and ethics at your core. Many of you balance studies with work, family, and hardships. Your success proves your strength. This university opens its doors to all, working professionals, homemakers, senior citizens, differently abled learners, and even prison inmates. To the inmate graduates here today, your education is a powerful story of transformation and hope. To our armed forces, your pursuit of knowledge alongside service is truly admirable. Education at this university is a right for all, not just a privilege of few. Remember, life without goal is like a ship without a compass. Set meaningful goals that serve society. As Swami Vivekananda once said, arise, wake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Success is perseverance, courage, and belief in yourself. It's a journey, not a destination. Your background does not define you. Your choices do. Many alumni of this institution are inspiring leaders today. Your degrees carry the legacy of Dr. B.R.Ambedkar, a symbol of education's power to transform. I want to leave you with a simple yet a meaningful message. Be goal-oriented, but not selfish. Be ambitious, but not arrogant. Be successful, but never forget your roots. Be modern, but never lose your values. Congratulations to all the graduates. Your future is bright. Go forth and shine. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम तबस्सुम है और मैं सिद्दीपेट से बिलोंग्स करती हूँ। मैं 2022 टू 23 इयर्स में पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जो एमए है उसमें हाईएस्ट स्कोर है मेरा वुमेन कैटेगरी में ऑल स्टेट्स में। उसके लिए मुझे गोल्ड मेडल मिला है। वो आज मैं अंबेडकर यूनिवर्सिटी में रिसीव करी हूँ मेडल को। मुझे हाईएस्ट में तो वुमेन कोटा में मेरा हाईएस्ट स्कोर है। स्कोर जो है सो 600 आउट ऑफ टू 540 मेरा। जी, मैं कांस्टेबल हूँ मेदक में। हवेली घनपुर पुलिस स्टेशन मेरा, हवेली घनपुर पुलिस स्टेशन। जी, शुक्रिया।
कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं अवार्ड लेके आप?
बहुत खुशी हो रही है, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह रिसीव करे उसको, बहुत खुशी हो रही है।
बेस्ट ऑफ लक।
थैंक यू सो मच।